What is going on, guys? So today we are going to be checking out what's going on with Nick's car. So as you guys know, Nick is doing a Coyote swap 6R80 with a single turbo. So we're going to check in on that. I also have the Billet UPR rear differential cover to install on Turdzilla. I also think there is a pinion leak, so we're also going to address that at the same exact time. So we're going to pull Turdzilla up in here, start working on that, and we're going to check out Nick's because Nick's car is coming along and I'm so excited for that thing to go rip basically some 9s in the quarter mile, probably on pump gas. As you can see, if you are not familiar, Nick has an 03 GT. It's a Centennial edition, which is actually the same type as Matt's. It's a special edition 03 GT, 100th anniversary car. Ignore how dirty it is, obviously, because it's been sitting a little while. You know, quad turbo, 1 million horsepower. You got all the kind of piping laid out. Ricky is the mastermind behind the welding here. So you can actually see we've got the manifold in place and kind of just figuring out the piping, the turbo flange. Basically the turbo is going to sit here. This is the Coyote, so this is a Gen 2 F-150 Coyote. He's using the F-150 PCM. 6R80 trans. It's all bolted in the car. He has a UPR member which allows him to do that. And turbo manifolds are in. I'm super excited for this thing to basically work. He actually has it all wired up. He has a return style fuel system already. You can see his regulator right there. I'm so excited to see this thing back in action. We got our turbo right there. It's gonna be sick. And don't worry, it's gonna be pulling the wheels like this at the track after it gets converter. So what are you working on here? Radio.
Yeah.
Woo!
I think somebody bought a broken radio. His new one don't work.
Alright, well, I got some goodies here for you.
What's this?
So, Turdzilla, because you basically built Turdzilla, that one goes on the truck. This one goes on the Mustang. And these go somewhere.
Nice.
Merch plug. If you need to get these, hit the link down in the description or click the thing right up there.
We'll do a
little thing right up there. But yeah. Now we just built Hyundais.
I know.
No, I was just showing your car, and it's got some progress.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited.
See it? The merge you built?
What's that?
The merge up in the front?
Yeah, I saw that. Got the flange. It's gonna be sick. You basically just need a drive shaft, the rest of the turbo kit finished.
And a tune.
And a tune. That's it.
Little odds and ends.
Yeah, of course. Alright, so we got Turdzilla up on the lift. We're gonna put the UPR Billet cover in Turdzilla. It also looks like it actually wasn't the pinion seal, it was actually my fault on the sealing of the diff cover. I'm not a professional, so, you know. That's why this guy's a professional. But here it is, UPR Billet cover.
That's fancy.
That is really fancy. It's
too bad it won't stay that clean.
I mean, it'll look semi-shiny, you know. If you guys are interested in this, uprproducts.com. I'll have a link down in the description. The key benefit of this, obviously billet, it's strong, so it's going to help hold and brace the rear end. It also has the contacts that go against the main caps to help support the differential when it wants to move backwards.
Bearing preload.
Bearing preload, the technical term. And it also has a nice fill and drain plug, which makes things nice. Alright, so right there, you can see the leak. My bad. I thought it was the pinion seal, but it is not. This whole unit is wet, obviously, from wind and everything else. But it wasn't a terrible leak, but there is definitely a leak there. And so we're gonna remove this out and put that one in. Junkyard rear end. Dude, that thing's mint. I'm telling you, man. $130 rear end. It's
Oh,
better
inside
than
it?
the $1,500 built rear end.
Ford did it, that's why. Not Yukon.
Stock cast gears. Honestly, the stock gears is a little bit of a relief.
Oh,
Like,
sure.
people are like, when are you gonna put the like 456s back in it? And I'm just like, I don't know. It's just nice to drive now. So
410s.
yeah, but if it gets some power adder, you know.
373 then.
Well,
Fact remains, you haven't broken into 12s yet.
yeah, that's true. It is true. Right?
Let's see. 327s.
Yep. It's bone stock. The car it came out of, forget, was it? I think it was an auto. Yeah, it came out of an auto.
So it just rode around. Yeah, it never had any shock put on it.
Yeah, it was a low mileage auto car. Like, I was like, damn, this shit's nice. I popped off the cover at the junkyard and that's it. You're mixing it up.
Making it nice and even.
Nice. I got ripped on this, 20 bucks a piece.
Oh, you bought Royal Purple?
All the other ones for 20 bucks. That was 22 bucks. All right, so we just put the main cap support on. Now we're gonna stick this on the rear end. Now we cleaned up the rear end, nice, make sure that'll have a nice seal. And then we put some new RTV on the outside. Have some bolts ready. And I mean, honestly, it's a pretty simple install.
Anybody can do this in their garage.
You do it on the ground. A lift makes everything easier. Yep, exactly. It's really nice though. It looks fantastic on the car. All right, so you torque these right here to 5 to 10 foot-pounds, and these 15 to 20 foot-pounds of torque. That'll make sure that you don't over torque it, which could cause some issues.
15 to 20?
15 to 20. That's pretty much it. Nice. Well, that's all for now on Turdzilla. I am very excited to see Nick's car done over here. Pretty soon. This bad boy. Then we come into live. Sometimes you just have to admire the beauty of Turdzilla.